The ball is thrown upwards from a height of 50 meters and lands back on the ground in 5 seconds. What is the speed with which the ball was thrown? Pause the video here and try it on your own. In order to solve this problem, let's use this kinematic equation. We must realize that the ball falls from a height of 50 meters. That means its displacement must be minus 50. The acceleration would be minus 10 due to gravity, and the time is 5 seconds. I'll take these three variables and substitute them back in the main equation. If we do that, we'll end up with this particular expression. Now this can be solved using algebra, and we solve for u, which turns out to be 15 meters per second. And that completely solves our problem. If you want to get a perfect 7 in your finals, grab the free PDF in the description and I'll send you a weekly update. I'll see you in the next one. Happy learning.